Hi, I'm Bryan Schritter, groomer at OCA. The OCA has 3 tracks. We have the main track, which is a lot bigger jumps, a little more technical stuff. We have the vet track, which is for vets and beginners with a lot of milder jumps. And then we have a Pee Wee track for people to learn on. All 3 tracks are watered and groomed. Yeah, I joined OCA 18 years ago, and then I worked into the grooming kind of by a fluke. I just helped out on the weekends, so the track was more groomed for the members, and then 5 years ago became the full-time groomer. The process of grooming OCA varies. Work everything up really good, rebuild the jumps, landings, roll the straightaways back in, build them back up, crown them, fix all the obstacles. On and off, we'll change certain sections of tracks to make it more equal and safe. And that's basically a Thursday groom. The weekend grooms, we groom all the corner straightaways, touch up all the bad sections or any dangerous things on the jumps, and lightly water on the weekends, hand watering with main watering. Besides my responsibilities of grooming, I'm also taking care of the water system above ground, all the electrical solenoids, maintaining the valves, pump controls in the pump house. Basically, like every style of riding. I like trail riding in the hills. I like riding out in the desert. Motocross. I pretty much enjoy any type of riding other than freestyle.